Good morning, students of Standard 10. Today we are going to discuss topic movement from chapter 2, control and coordination. Topic movement. It is the movement of the plant part in response to the stimulus present in the atmosphere. So students, topic movement actually is a specific movement of the plant part like root, stem and leaf in response to the stimulus present in the atmosphere. So students, here stimulus represents any change which takes place in the atmosphere. So any change which takes place in the atmosphere, that is called as stimulus. So stimulus is responsible for the topic movement. It is of following types: phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, thigmotropism and hydrotropism. So students, the following are the different types of topic movements, which are phototropism, geotropism, chemotropism, thigmotropism and hydrotropism. Phototropism. It is the directional movement of the plant in response to the light. So students, phototropism is actually the directional movement, that is the movement of the plant which is towards a particular direction and which is in the response to the light. So students, the concept of phototropism can be well understood with the help of this picture. Students, here you can notice that light is the stimulus and this light is helping the plant to move towards the light. So students, this bending movement of the light, bending movement of the plant part, that is stem, towards the light is called as the phototropism. Students, phototropism also can be of two types. So students, the movement of the plant part, that is stem, towards the light, that is called as positive phototropism, whereas the plant part, that is the root, which grows away from the light, then that is called as negative phototropism. Okay students. Geotropism. It is the directional movement of plant part in response to the gravity. So students, geotropism is also a type of topic movement in which the movement of the plant part is towards the direction of the gravity. So students, we know that gravity is always downwards. and here we can notice the root is always growing towards the direction. So this is showing the positive geotropism. And the stem, students, we can notice here that the stem is going away from the gravity, that is why it is showing the negative geotropism. Chemotropism, it is the directional movement of the plant in response to the chemical. So students, chemotropism actually is the directional movement of the plant in response to the chemical. So students, the part of the plant when starts showing its response towards the direction of the chemical, that is called as chemotropism. Students, here we can easily notice that the particular type of hormone is secreted from the ovary. Students, this is the ovary. So this ovary is secreting a specific type of hormone, and here you can notice the pollen grains, and these pollen grains are growing towards the direction of the hormone secreted from the ovary. This movement of the plant part, that is the pollen grain, towards the direction of the hormone secreted from the ovary is called as chemotropism. So students, here if you notice, then you can also find in this picture mentioned as pollen tubes are positively chemotropic, because pollen tube is growing towards the direction of the release of the hormone from the ovary. So that is why pollen tubes are positively chemotropic. Thigmotropism, it is the directional movement of the plant in response to the touch. So students, thigmotropism actually is the directional movement of the plant in response to the touch or contact. So students, if you concentrate on this picture, then you will be able to notice that the plant is not having a solid stem. As a result, there is a development of a tendril which is coiling around the contact or touch. So students, the movement of the plant part, that is tendril, towards the contact or support is called as thigmotropism. Hydrotropism, it is the directional movement of the plant in response to water. So students, hydrotropism actually is the movement of the plant, that is the root, towards the water. So students, the directional movement of the plant in response to the water will be the positive hydrotropism. So students, here the positive geotropism is showed by the root, whereas the shoot is showing the negative hydrotropism. So students, here the stem shows the negative hydrotropism, whereas the root shows the positive hydrotropism. Students, now let's discuss important question. What is nastic movement? It is the non-directional movement of the plant in response to diffused stimulus. Thank you, students.